No way. This is a new method to get Pokemon Go Spoofer, iOS and Android. So this works in 2026. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, I can change the settings right here. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's get into the video. So before we do this, I want to show you some of the settings. So we can change our character's speed, which is pretty cool. And then of course enhanced throw and everything like that. So if you guys are all about that, then there we go. So as you can see, I'm walking around with the joystick right now. There's many Pokemon popping up. So before we do the tutorial, we need to know what our trainer code is. So go ahead and copy that. And now I'm going to show you guys the website where we can download this. So the website is called spoofinglab.com. So once you're on this website, there's going to be a button that says inject spoofer now. So just press that and it will download it. So before it downloads, it is going to say like what's your trainer code and your platform. So I'm just going to put this in. So I'm going to press continue, and now it's just going to load up. So let's just give it a second. So we now need to be on full edition or custom edition. So it doesn't make a difference, guys. The custom one is just where you pick what you want. So I'm going to do the full one. So now it's going to load up. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. So we're just going to let it load. So at the end, guys, it might say like there's like a verification thing, but I already did it. But I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. So as you can see, it says awaiting verification. So now it says ready to import. So I'm just going to press this thing. I'm not a robot. So let's just do it and see if it works. So as you can see, it's loading. So it didn't work, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and try again. And we're going to see if it works this time. So let's see if it goes through. And it should go through. So as you can see, guys, it worked. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial, guys. This is super cool. So there you go. That's how to get Spoofer for your device. So you get all these settings. You get the joystick, you get the bar on the right side. So if you guys are into this type of stuff, be sure to try it out. I mean, it's pretty fun. So yeah, you can see all the settings. So we can actually change our speed and stuff. So yeah, definitely try it out for yourself. Get the word out. So yeah, if you guys like having this spoofer, then definitely try it out, guys. This is so cool. So as you can see, if we go to the settings, we can actually change our joystick and our speed hack and all that. So pretty cool stuff. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. So as you can see, we can change our speed. So this is super wild. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. So as you can see, I'm walking with the joystick. So super cool.